Whether you're camping, tailgating, or grilling in your backyard, having the right grill can bring convenience, flavor, and fun to every occasion. In this guide, we have curated the top-rated portable grills, each designed to deliver excellent performance while remaining easy to transport. From powerful gas grills to classic charcoal models, we consider different features like cooking capabilities and portability that make these grills stand out. Let's dive into the perfect grills to take your culinary adventures anywhere you go. All product links are provided in the description. Number 9. Everdure Cube Portable Charcoal Grill. The Everdure Cube Portable Charcoal Grill is a sleek and compact option for grilling on the go. It stands out for its thoughtful design, featuring large handles that make it easy to carry, even when you're moving from one outdoor location to another. What's especially convenient is the bamboo lid, which doubles as a cutting board, allowing you to prep food right on the grill. The lid sits securely on top of a plastic food tray, perfect for storing accessories or holding ingredients while you work. Its compact size doesn't compromise its grilling capabilities. You can expect evenly cooked meats, whether you're grilling steak or chicken, with no fear of flare-ups. The stainless steel cooking grate is durable and easy to clean in the sink. The ash falls through a removable coal holder, which makes cleaning up after grilling much easier. Number 8. Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. The Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill is designed for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who need portability without sacrificing performance. What sets this grill apart is its built-in cart, which allows you to cook at full height without the need for a table. The cart has sturdy legs and wide wheels, which makes it easy to maneuver on various terrains. The grill comes equipped with porcelain enameled cast iron grates that retain heat exceptionally well, ensuring that your food cooks evenly and efficiently. It heats up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes, making it ideal for grilling steak, burgers, or chicken quickly and efficiently. Number 7. PK Grill's PKGO Camp and Tailgate Grilling System. The PK Grill's PKGO Camp and Tailgate Grilling System is an incredibly versatile and durable option for outdoor cooking. Its cast aluminum body not only provides excellent heat retention, but also ensures that the grill is resistant to rust and weather. One of the most unique features of this grill is its ability to flip the lid and use it as an additional cooking surface. This effectively doubles your grilling space, which is perfect for larger gatherings or cooking a variety of foods at once. The grill grates are made from heavy-duty cast iron, offering superior heat retention and the ability to create perfect sear marks on steaks and other meats. The dual vent system is designed for precise temperature control, making it easier to grill or even smoke your food to perfection. The PKGO consistently delivers tender, flavorful meals, whether you're grilling at a tailgate or cooking in the great outdoors. Number 6. BioLite Wood and Charcoal Burning Fire Pit. The BioLite Wood and Charcoal Burning Fire Pit is much more than just a grill. It's a full-featured outdoor cooking and entertainment system. What makes this product unique is its versatility. You can use it as both a fire pit and a charcoal grill, making it perfect for camping trips or backyard hangouts. The fire pit comes with a built-in, app-controlled fan system that allows you to control the intensity of the flame with ease. This fan ensures that the fire burns evenly, resulting in perfectly grilled food every time. The cooking grate is large enough to fit a decent amount of food, and it leaves beautiful grill marks on your steaks, burgers, or veggies. Its foldable legs and large handles make it easy to transport and set up, while the removable ashtray ensures hassle-free cleanup. Although its cooking surface is slightly narrow, it's ideal for smaller meals or gatherings. Number 5. Weber Smokey Joe Premium 14-inch Portable Grill. The Weber Smokey Joe Premium 14-inch Portable Grill is a top choice for anyone looking for a compact, highly efficient charcoal grill that delivers consistently great results. This grill is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for camping, picnics, and tailgating. One of its standout features is the lid-locking handle, which not only keeps the lid secure during transport, but also functions as a handy lid holder while you're grilling. This keeps your hands free and makes it easier to tend to your food. Despite its small size, the grill is capable of cooking a full meal for a small group. The cooking grate provides even heat distribution, and the vents are adjustable, allowing you to control the cooking temperature with precision. The grill is also equipped with an ashtray for easy cleaning. While it may have a smaller cooking surface, it offers Weber's signature durability and reliability. Number 4. NomadIQ Portable Propane Gas Grill. The NomadIQ Portable Propane Gas Grill is an ideal option for those who love grilling on the go but don't want to compromise on quality or cooking space. This grill is designed with portability in mind, featuring foldable legs and a lightweight design that makes it easy to carry with its integrated strap. Despite its compact size, the grill offers a dual cooking zone, allowing you to grill different foods at varying temperatures simultaneously. The ceramic non-stick grill plates ensure that food doesn't stick and that cleaning up afterward is easy. The drip pans underneath collect grease and excess fat, making the entire grilling experience more hygienic and hassle-free. While setting up the propane gas might take a little patience, the grill performs exceptionally well, delivering perfectly seared steaks, burgers, and grilled veggies. Number 3. Nomad Portable Grill and Smoker. The Nomad Portable Grill and Smoker combines the convenience of a portable grill with the flavor-enhancing capabilities of a smoker, making it an excellent option for grilling enthusiasts. Shaped like a suitcase, this grill is easy to carry, yet offers the versatility of grilling and smoking in one compact design. The anodized aluminum construction ensures durability while providing even heat distribution across the cooking surface. One of the best features is its ability to cook on both sides when open flat, which gives you double the grilling space. However, if you want to use both sides simultaneously, you'll need to purchase an additional grate. The grill grates themselves feature a unique honeycomb pattern, which is sturdier than traditional grids and provides better heat retention. Whether you're grilling juicy steaks or slow-smoking ribs, the Nomad delivers excellent results in a portable package, making it perfect for camping, tailgating, or small backyard cookouts. Number 2. Coleman Gas Grill. The Coleman Gas Grill is a compact yet powerful portable grilling solution, perfect for campers and tailgaters who want to enjoy grilled food without the hassle of setting up a large grill. Its 2 adjustable burners allow for precise temperature control, so you can grill multiple types of food at the same time without worrying about uneven cooking. Despite its compact size, this grill heats up quickly, making it ideal for grilling meats, veggies, and more. The cast iron grates retain heat well, ensuring that food cooks evenly while also being easy to clean. A removable drip pan makes cleaning up a breeze, collecting grease and food drippings for quick disposal. While the grill doesn't latch shut, which could make it feel less stable during transport, it's still sturdy enough for regular use. Its compact form makes it an excellent choice for outdoor cooking adventures, from picnics to camping trips. Number 1. Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. The Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill is a top-tier portable grill that combines ease of use with high performance. One of its key features is its lightweight construction, making it incredibly easy to transport whether you're heading to the beach, a park, or just your backyard. The grill comes with large, oversized handles for better portability, and its foldable side tables offer added convenience for food prep. With a push-button ignition, the grill heats up quickly and evenly. It produces up to 8,500 BTUs per hour, ensuring that food is cooked thoroughly and with a nice sear. The built-in drip tray collects grease and food residue, making cleanup easier. One of its minor inconveniences is that the propane tank sits close to the temperature control knob, which can feel a bit cramped when making adjustments. Overall, it's a high-performing grill that offers exceptional grilling power in a portable package. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.